Hey everyone, so today we're going to be installing iOS 16 on an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's currently 1:11 a.m. That's funny. So first thing we're going to do is head over here, go to your profile, go to iCloud backup. Make sure you back up your device. That's first things first. Second, we're going to go to beta.apple.com, press go, and you're gonna see this screen. So what you want to do is either sign up or sign in, which most of you guys will just sign in. We're gonna sign in. So once you're signed in, you're gonna press agree after reading all of this, which most of you guys will agree to that. Now once you agree to that, you're gonna head down to enroll your iOS device right here. So it's going to tell you the usual to back up your device and whatnot, everything. The second thing you're going to want to do is download the profile right here. Press allow. Now it says profile has been downloaded. You're going to go back to settings. Go back. And profile is downloaded right over here. Click it, and you're gonna see iOS 16, iPadOS 16 beta software, and all you want to do is hit install, type in your password. Again, the agreement is over here with all the consent, and what you want to do is read through all this and press install. And all you want to do is just restart. So now let's wait for the device to restart. This will actually help prepare your iOS device for the new update. Log in. Now once we're inside, it's simple. Go to settings. iOS 16 beta is now available. Boom. You can also check this out if you go to General, Software Updates, and you'll see iOS 16. So with iOS 16 is going to be around 5.27 gigabytes, and you can always turn this on later on. For now, let's hit download and install. Type in your password, and here it goes. It's updating the request. 13 minutes. Eight minutes. So I'll just wait for the device to get ready to prepare, and I'll get back to you guys. Now roughly 15 minutes has passed, and we're almost at the end of preparing update. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens next. It's going to install after it's done preparing, and I do recommend you guys turn this on. iOS 16 has a bunch of new features, and I can't wait to show you guys what's new. We're gonna be checking out everything, battery life especially. Before I go on, I want to show you guys the battery life on this device right now. So my battery health is at 100%. And you can see I usually use low power mode, and I play a lot of Call of Duty on this device, but screen on time's around 4 hours, and I keep it roughly around 50 to 80%. So let's go back to the software update. And we'll just set this down right over here. So after it's done preparing the update, it's gonna have an install now on the bottom. Now it's time to install. Let's install it. Your phone will shut off, and it will reboot to updating. So let's see how roughly this is going to take. So far, we haven't got any time remaining. I'm sure shortly we'll see a time remaining on the bottom. And if we don't, it's alright. So the bar went about 25 to 30% and it restarted the device again. Now it should be installing the actual update. Again, we only see a progress bar. So this time the progress bar is moving relatively fast also. And I believe we should have iOS 16 in no time now. Here goes another restart and it says hello. Looks like we are already on iOS 16. That was a quick update. The phone feels a little bit hot. Just a little bit hot. So first things first, it wants us to unlock. It says software updates complete. Your phone has been updated to iOS 16. Cool. Press continue. It's loading on top. I'm gonna set this up later. And I mean, you can either share or don't share, it really doesn't matter. I'm just gonna not share for now. And it says welcome. So boom, we're on iOS 16. And here's the build number. That's it. That's how you guys install iOS 16. All in all, very happy. Does Call of Duty work? Call of Duty works.